college admissions process is stressful, humbling, and altogether not a fun time. The only thing that can make this process better is an aesthetically pleasing Notion page. Today I'm going to be sharing and explaining my college applications Notion template so that we can research potential colleges, keep track of all our application deadlines, and apply to college with more ease. So this is the Notion template when you first open it up. First we have our master calendar with all our dates. Each of these tasks are further broken down into projects. There are 3 main projects. We have the personal statement, applications, and scholarships. And this main overview gives you a quick look on all the application deadlines. The next feature is the college list. If you're like me and you're not sure what colleges you want to apply to, you can use this tool to help you out. Here's where you can keep different colleges you may be interested in. When you open this up, you have another template that you can use to keep track of all the different aspects of the college you should consider. Also, don't forget to fill out the pros and cons. At the end of this, you can categorize all the colleges based on whether you think they're a safety school, a target school, or a reach school. You can also decide whether you want to apply or not. In the next section, we have our personal statement. Here we can organize all the different ideas we may have for our personal statement, as well as keep track of the status of each idea. You can add deadlines so that you can sync it to the main calendar, and you can also keep track of what step of the essay you are on. Then we have our application tracker. Here we can add all the colleges from above that we actually want to apply to and start working on our essays. There's a spot to include the program you're applying to, the major, deadline, fees, and the status. Inside, I created another template to break down the application into subtasks. At the top, here's where I would copy and paste all the important information from the Common App website. Then I would divide up the application into the different parts. For example, some colleges might have multiple supplemental essays in addition to optional essays as well. And here you can organize all that information and write your actual essays. Finally, we have a section for scholarships. This tracker is very similar to the application tracker, but it also has a link section where you can add the links to the different scholarships you're applying to quickly go back to the websites. Again, inside, if you need to create subtasks, there's a space for that. And the great part about all these tables is that they all link back to the master tracker on top. And so you can quickly keep track of all the tasks you need to do without having to go inside each of the individual trackers. And of course, this is just an example template. You can customize it any way you want. You can delete tables, add tables, make sure you personalize it to fit your needs. Hopefully you found this template helpful and you'll be using it to keep track of all your college application. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Bye!